Hello, here are note 7 on percent of change. We are working through a unit about percents right now. We've learned how to find percent of a number, work with just general word problems with percents, find tax and tip, and when things go on sale. And so here's another application of percents that we need to be able to do if we want to find the percent of how much something changes. So this is the general formula I'll talk about in a second. I have 3 examples, and then those will be notes 7. So please make sure you write down note 7 at the top, and it's called percent of change. This is our new proportion. This looks slightly different. It's still percent over 100, and then the original goes on the bottom, which is what we've been doing for tax and tip and discount. But now I have the change. The change is something we're going to have to find. The tricky thing is that we don't get to just take the numbers from the word problem and put it in the proportion. We have to do some work to find how much it changes. And the change, to do that, you're going to have to subtract to find how much it changes. Again, the change is not just the other number in the problem. We have to do math to figure out how much the item changed. And then the last thing is we can identify the change as a percent increase or decrease. If the amount goes up, it would be a percent increase. If the amount goes down, it would be a percent decrease. In your notes, you don't have to write these word problems down, but it might be helpful for you to refer back to if you want to take the time. Go ahead and press pause if you want to do that so that my speaking doesn't get you messed up. But this problem says, on Monday, Jake could lift 25 pounds. 1 month later, he could lift 45 pounds. Find the percent change. So when you see percent change, you need to think about this proportion. We're going to do the percent, which is what I'm looking for, over 100. And then it's the change over the original. The original amount he could lift is 25 pounds. So 25 goes down here. It's not the bigger number. It's not necessarily the first number in the problem. You have to read the question. What was the starting point? The starting point is what goes on the bottom, and then the change goes on top. Now he can do 45. Before, he could only do 25. And so you subtract, it changed by 20 pounds. It changed, he is able to lift 20 pounds more. And so that goes on top. Remember, 20 was not a number in this problem. We had to do math to find that. And then we cross multiply and divide. 20 times 100 divided by 25 gives me 80. That's an 80% change, and then 80%, and it went up, right? He was able to lift more, so it's an 80% increase. 80% increase. For the next problem, what is the percent change in the cost of a DVD that originally cost $49.99 is now on sale for $32? So again, percent over 100, the change over the original. The original price, you have to read the question, is $49.99, and it changed. We have to do the math. It was $49.99, and then it changed to be $32. $49.99 minus $32, it changed $17.99. Then we cross multiply and divide. And we get, it says 35.9, so we could say 36%, and it went down. So this is a decrease, 36% decrease. For the last one, in Orlando, Florida, the high temperature on Saturday was 85, and on Sunday it was 79. Find the percent change. Again, it's percent over 100. And then the original price was, the original temperature was 85, and 85 minus 79, it went down 6 degrees. So the change is 6. And you solve that proportion. 6 times 100 divided by 85 is 7.0, it kept going, but 7%. So, and it was a decrease because it went down.